Ashley, Palm, and Miranda Gaddis. He passed away for Rio 2002. Poor girl. Hey, what's going on? Maki, where is it? Hey, it's just, I'm working, I miss for my girlfriend. Now, her name Ashley Palm and Miranda Gaddis. The boyfriend, real guy. Hey. That's okay. We're gonna take it easy and far away. We're going back in time with a real TV portal. You want to go there? You need to be careful what you wish for. Come on, guys. We have a mission. We won't stand in your way. We'll leave immediately of January 9, 2002. Alright, let's go!
Oh, these are pretty cool bananas.
Come on, Maki. Breathe. Not answer. Why are you doing sleeping like that? We call it midnight. Chompy, don't get in a flush right now. Please. I say no. You cheat like banana. You like a real thing you doomed us all. You ruined all the funeral of the missing girl staff. Wait, you in what army? Let's do this one more time with another of the stupid planet apes. It's not the saving of this stuff is one. It's about this stuff revenge. It show you real. What is that? Okay, all right then. Bingo. Okay then. Now go. Rock. It's not about. Rock, listen. It's not about saving the whole stuff like this. It's about our show save stuff revenge and show you there's something for you. You acting. I am not happy. Angry mom is not happy when you cheat like banana. Look. Ashley Palm and Miranda Gaddis. The Miranda Gaddis is still alive. Look, this angry mom has died. This the whole stuff. We're gonna go back and try to save the two missing girls. It's not gonna change history. Not much. Look, we're not gonna doom the real doomsday. We're not gonna hold the stuff. We're not gonna do it. We're gonna real change history and stuff, and then we're gonna change all in. And you think, oh, look, guys, look, a paradox is coming. He's trying to eat you. Now, we're stuck here. We're recording it at a time TV. This is a hideous, ugly piece. I think we don't exist. We're all gonna die. We call it a self-destruct. It's going to be disappeared. A paradox will be alive. We will eat everyone. You crazy? I don't know. I don't everything up, you ruin our film. Monster's still here. All right. We're going to the airport. We're going to see West Edmonton Dragons at the real West Edmonton Mall. We didn't cheat in the Vita. All right. Everyone, you could go now. I'll go check the Time TV is here. The Time TV. Okay, bye. Checks. Oh my God. Guys!
Yes.
Oh, it's already midnight. I mean, it's already midnight now. But real crash or something real. Rummy. Yes. Bobby? Yeah, real perfect. Real perfect name. The Dummies. Dummies. Hey, we got a call now. Hello?
Come here. I need you. Come here. I need you. Come here. I need you. Come here.
Hey! Guys!
Come here. I need you.
Get to the West Edmonton Mall!
you.
Beep! Everyone, inside, now! Okay, let's get it real straight this time. This is unbelievable. This is a special solution. Oh, man. Guys? Oh. Guys? Guys! Oh, man. What do we do now? We have one left. I'm gonna disappear now. This is a real special solution. There's only one solution. Here comes a tricky solution. Okay, okay, bingo. Okay then. Now go. All right, it's only a real special solution. We gotta get rid of those. Ashley Palm and Miranda Gaddis real funny favorite cheat with banana this time. Alright. It's gonna be tricky. It's gonna be a bad idea. I'm gonna make it fast. I'm gonna ties up. Run! See you later, alligator! Come on, everyone, follow me! Ah, great, it's a Commonwealth! Oh my god! A shark! Oh man, that's a shark from Dead Rising 2! Not good! Hey! Get out of my way! Oh my god! Is that real? Hey! Get out of my way! We gotta stop the damned before the damned one! Not good. Oh, everyone, we made it. Now follow me. Let's get in. All right, let's go.
Guys? Hello? I can't be alone like this.
You're mine now.
No! Please, get away! No! No! Please, stop! No!
You are so small! It's funny to me!
Listen up, everyone. This is too far. It's too scary with this cheat wagon. This is too fast. It's so speed. It's too fast. It's so speed. This is a hideous shadow creatures. Shadow creatures. Bobby and Remy. Oh no! Oh my gosh, they're here. Oh no! No! Hey, shadow creature! You stink! Nuts! I'm gonna blow him on this! Yes! You say goodbye! What? Oh no, not this button will kill everyone! I need better days. All that. Okay, I'll just... Yeah. Oh! I did it! Nothing can stop me!
Have you come to save your apes? I came for you.
It's go time. Bye-bye, Caesar. See you. Wait, no. I have a summon of a secret fire. You cannot pass. Go back for the shadow. You shall not pass. Fly, you fools. She's gone.
Hey, Ashry Pum. Yes, Maki. You're gonna sacrifice now. I think we're gonna miss you. Me too. This is the real one. Very easy. Really easy. I call you Maki B. Oh, thank you. Cool. Alright. Okay, don't look. I'm gonna pass away now. Well, let's see your Jerry again. And you too. Thank you for rescuing me. And me too.
Yes.
Oh, these are pretty cool bananas.
Hey! Everything returned normal! Hey, it's already in the morning! Wait,